Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Des, and yesterday I got this super adorable mystery blind box from Popmart. It is Teletubbies, as you can see. Fantasy Candy World is the theme. It's so cute. Obviously, sweets, like there's like a bunch of candy chocolate. It is so adorable. All the characters, Po, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and Lala. And so, yeah, I'm so excited to get any of them. And then I know the mystery, like, there's a mystery and it's like a vacuum machine, which would be insane and funny to get. So, I'm so excited because, wow, just look at that packaging. This is just a gorgeous box. And I'm so excited. Like, it was between this and My Little Pony for getting a figure from Popmart, and I had to get this one. Like, I'm a big Teletubby fan, like, especially in high school. I was really obsessed with them, so let's unbox it. Ooh, this is so exciting. Now, it's hard to get figures because they're like, this one is literally $15. It's a gamble, but when they're so cute. Ooh, okay, I don't know if this reveals it. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, we got Po, and it's a candy Po. So is that what it says? I can't read it. Boule candy? That is adorable, though. It's like he's eating a little lollipop, like a gummy. And so, here, let's unbox him. So we got Po. So Po is the red Teletubby. I love all of them. Po, I feel like, is like the youngest coded, like young sibling. Here he is. Oh my gosh. That is so adorable. So these are just such cute figures. Oh, they're so fun. So Po, the red Teletubby, and he's eating like this, what looks like a caramel apple looking candy almost. He has this adorable little yellow outfit on. He's all happy. That's so cute. How sweet. I love it. So these are such cute figures. Ah, I love Teletubbies. So yeah, we got Po. Like Boule Po. Yeah, I think that's a B, Boule. So yeah, so the Boule candy Po is the one we got, as you can see. Very cute. So fun. I love him. So yeah, love Po. I'm excited. I love all the Teletubbies, and he is a cutie patootie. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like Teletubbies? Do you think they're creepy? I know some people think they're creepy, but I grew up in love with them, so I think they're really cute. And yeah, so there he is. He could stand well, as you can see. So that's awesome. So yeah, they're like great for desks. Popmart figures are awesome for display. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm super obsessed. He's adorable. I'm excited. I like his little because it looks like a caramel apple, and I really love caramel apples, but it's like this candy. It's so cute. Yeah, he looks so happy and positive, and I love that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of Po, and yeah, what you guys think of my figure. Thanks for watching.